Hello, Raven Jacob Benaytud from 10 Curie. So, ayun, dito is kakagising ko lang neto. Actually, sinusundo na ako ng classmate ko, as you can see here. Kasama ko siya for my jogging or walking exercise. So, as you can see here, we were just warming up or we were just walking slowly ngayon kasi warm up. And dito is may payong kami kasi umaambon that time. That's all. And dito naman is kung saan kami naglalakad na ng mabilis or walk briskly. So, dito naman is lumakas yung ulan, kaya nagpatila muna kami. So, as you can see here, malakas ang ulan. And dito naman is naglakad na kami para naman magpatila naman kami sa 7-Eleven. Doon kami magpapatila. So, dito naman ay humina na yung ulan, kaya dito na ulit kami naglakad. This time is pauwi naman na kami. So, we were walking nang mabagal na kasi cool down naman.